This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Set up Python 3. 10 plus, create a virtual environment and activate it so dependencies stay isolated. Next, install the core libraries you need. For example, pip install OpenEye Transformers Torch, depending on model choice. Once done, obtain and securely store your API key as an environment variable. This prevents accidental leaks. Make sure to pin versions, so results remain reproducible as you proceed to implementation. You now implement the integration layer. Write a clean function that preprocesses input, calls the model API or local inference, and post-processes outputs. Once done, decide whether to use batching or streaming, batch for throughput, streaming for low-latency interactivity, and implement async calls if concurrency is needed. Also add retries and exponential backoff around network calls, plus structured logging so you can trace failures. Make sure to test with representative inputs and measure latency and cost to guide optimizations. You finish by packaging your integration as a small service. Create a fast API endpoint with input validation, authentication, and rate limiting, then containerize with Docker for consistent deployment. Push CI tests that include unit and integration checks and deploy to your chosen cloud or edge target. If something breaks, start by inspecting structured logs and replaying the failing input locally. Make sure environment variables and API keys are set and check model quotas. Finally, roll forward with monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.